Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns are at the top of the Betway Premiership. Emva kokubhaqabula isikhukhune eLoftus Stadium namhlanje. Yeah, defending champions against the DStv Premiership. Previously known as the DStv Premiership, but now siyazi ke njenge Betway Premiership. But uke uthatha ngalo mdlalo namhlanje, I've got a former Orlando Pirates midfielder, a former Mamelodi Sundowns and Aalborg BK midfielder, Benedict Vilakazi. Legend, kunjani?
Shini ngikhona kanjani mfethu?
No, ngiyaphileka. Ngasibulisele emajiteni.
Yeah mfethu amajita ngibula Mr. Nkewu. Ngidisizi faka imali uzobona. Bese ngibulise uLindo Mkwena. Ngibulisa ngani emakhaya then support njalo iDiski TV nje. Benje obinjala ngichiki futhi.
Mr. Tso, Mamelodi Sundowns baphezulu engxoxweni yeBetway Premiership. Orlando Pirates idlala kusasa, but let's talk about umdlalo wanamhlanje. Mamelodi Sundowns winning comfortably, I can say, against isikhukhula namhlanje.
Yeah, Shane, well done to Gabuyelo. It's something that we will expect this winner, Shane, because a team like Sundowns that lost one game last season, I mean, when they play each and every game, you expect them to do well without any question, you know, and yeah, they did very well, you know. First goal, it was an own goal, and then second goal, that was a penalty. But, you know, I saw Coach Lapana, you know, let's play. And I don't see runners as the runners that will play as Coach Mangoba and Funipola behind. So today, it's a different Sundowns. I don't know whether the coach is confusing us and the opponents, or he's confused himself here in terms of Sundowns week in, week out, because the football that they're playing today, I think that against the Chiefs, where they will build up from the back, where's the middle lane and go to final third. It's the Chiefs. Other than that, all these other games, it Papa, go wide, so cross, or waiting the opponents to come close and then you'll play behind the defense. So I don't know. Maybe smart more than us in terms of he's trying to play mind games to say, no, I'm not predictable. You know, if I want to play this football that you guys love, I can play that game. And if I don't want to play that football that you guys love, I'm not going to play it. In the transition. I don't know. Because, you know, when you do such a thing, it's confusing players, confusing us, confusing everyone. And when we look at the players in terms of how you want them to respond, it's questionable, because now players, you are with confidence based on what of you're changing the way they're playing. So yeah, they've won. That is something that we expect. And I was a bit disappointed, man, with Iskokune and Utlooks. We talk, man, and Utlooks, Usiema, and he's got a good team. You know, he's got a good team. I thought he's gonna, you know, challenge Sundowns. Yes, we know Sundowns that they've got, you know, quality players, pound to pound, they can match. But you know, he's got a good team. He's got a strong team. So I was expecting him also, you know, to attack Sundowns and give Sundowns a headache.
Yazi, so when they say Isikhukhune, we'll talk about the Sundowns a little bit later up showing. Isikhukhune, yazi, that's quality players. They will look at Pirates, they will look at Sundowns, and most probably look at the Cape Town City also.
Yeah.
But I don't think they realize that Isikhukhune has one of the best players in the league. I mean, Okapinga Bapa, there's about Dash, about Munare, about Figo Mtambo. Kapinga, did I mention him?
Yes,
yes. They just signed Upoyeli. But Isikhukhune, this is their second straight defeat. Remember, last week they lost against the struggling ETS Galaxy. Namhlanje, they just lost to Mamelodi Sundowns. What do you think is going on there, Isikhukhune?
No, look, Shane, this is football, you know. I understand that you win some, you lose some, you know. But now what is important is that how do you lose that game? you know. And for me, that will be always a question to Coach Ofana or Coach Siema based on the players that is got. Okay, you've lost the game, but how did you lose the game? Where you are out there to show Uguti you wanted to win, you wanted to score against Sundowns. Those are the questions that I will ask. But yeah, man, look, he's playing against the best. He's playing against the best. I mean, some of these players, they are representing our national team. Yes, as much as we want him to score or maybe beat Sundowns, but we still also have to think that the players that he's got, as much as we say he's got quality players, but when you look at Sundowns quality and look at Sekhukhune quality, pound to pound, they can't match.
Yeah, they can't match pound for pound, so but for Iskhukhune, they've also got one of the best players in the league. I mean, one of their players from Sundowns, Umbule, yes, he wasn't there namhlanje, but indlela abazi articulating ngayo namhlanje, indlela abayi approaching ngayo game namhlanje, were you impressed when ngeSekhukhune namhlanje?
Look, I'm not impressed, and that's why sometimes it's very important to have 3, 4, 5 key players in the team, because I wish Umtambo was there, Ufigo, because I like that boy. That boy, he plays beautiful football, and when he's there, you always have a hope that something will happen, and unfortunately, Ulonduzana, Usipumbuli, I also love that boy. That boy, he's something else on a Shane. Unfortunately, he can't play against his team, but losing against Sundowns, then they need to learn from this game and say, look, other teams, we cannot afford to lose any game now, because I mean, if we lose against Sundowns with all the quality players, and then whoever that comes our way, we need to hammer them.
Yes, there were times where Sundowns last season, they will play a totally different lineup to Eza players Zaziyo. Remember their Nedbank Cup final against Orlando Pirates, where they play their star-studded team.
Yes.
But there will be games where they will play, let's say, for Iskhukhune, for instance, and they will see even a goalkeeper will change. They will bring in Onyango, and they will bring in Abu Lebusa even last season. But you will see Guti, the identity remain the same. Or let's say 90% remain the same. But because stronger this season, do you think Ilondo is a part or is Sundowns where you feel good if they rotate 4 or 5 players, the quality is still there, but in do you feel good is Safana even as last season?
No, Safana na Shane. This time around, Shane, there's an advantage of making 5 subs. We've got an advantage of making 5 subs. And that's something that I always ask Mankunma, no, Lindo Pep. Lindo, listen, there's something that I don't understand, Coach Mangoba, is that look, you can make 5 subs. Start your core. And then when you're about 2-0 or 3-0 up, and then you can make that changes. I mean, those guys, those are quality players also that are coming, because Shane, there's this level of intensity that all these players, if you want them to be on the very same level of intensity, it means you need to make sure that when you add them, the other 5, they must have the majority of the one that they've got that high intensity. So now, if you're going to change the whole team and leave the one that they've got a high intensity by 3 against the one with the low intensity, for me, you are taking them back, these ones that they've got the high intensity. That's one thing that I think Coach Mangoba, if you can look at it, it's also killing his team in terms of seeing that momentum of them, buzzing week in, week out, because I think he's changing too much in such a way that he doesn't look at the intensity of his players, that where does he want them to be? Does he want them to be at 95%? Does he want them to be at 75%? That's where he needs to look at, because if everyone, I'll make a good example, against Kaizer Chiefs, everyone was about 95, 98% in terms of the intensity in play. And then comes the next game, it's changed almost the whole team. So the players that they had that 95, 98 intensity, they were about 3 in the lineup. So now you put them against the guys that they're on 70% in terms of intensity. So which one are you killing in that? which one are you building in that? Because for me, when you do that, you are killing the one with the high intensity to drop their level to accommodate these ones. But in the sense that for me, I believe that you are supposed to say, look, I'll start again with the high intensity, and then when I'm leading, then I take these other ones 4 and then put the other 4, so that also they need to catch up with that intensity to be high, and then it's gonna make the whole team that every time when they play, intensity is high.
What do you think could be the reason for Londo for Funatso? Because you see, he will change team yake.
Yeah.
Coach Mangoba game. And there's also Usales. I want to talk about him just before in 60 seconds.
Yeah.
And there's also Usales. It seems like he is about striker at Tembilego, Coach Mangoba for this season. What's your take on Usales and also the rotation of players at Sundowns?
Mr. Gil, when Shane, so there's nothing wrong when you give other players a chance. When Shane, but now Salis is Simbonile, man. Thank you very much. Akabuye uluntu sathi ushasha wami, akabuye ushasha wami, ushalulile wami uzomesa. Bheka manje confidence ebuyile kushalulile, uyamkhipha eteamini umbeka ngaphandle, ufaka uSalesa. Ufuna uSalesa again confidence, bese amkhipha naye bese azobuyisela ushalulile. I don't know, but yeah, it's good to see when Shane Sundowns winning. I mean, Orenas he's keep on talking in terms of putting the ball in the net, and it's one player that also has shown, I'm a different player this season compared to the other season, because any chance that they get, he always try and put the ball in the net. And yeah, well done to Gabriel.
Well, Gamangaku, Matatu, Z-points, Z3 for Imamelodi Sundowns, making sure ukuthi namhlanje bazawulala be on top of Betway Premiership, albeit lamdlalo uzodlala ngomso Orlando Stadium. But Mamelodi Sundowns 3 is Kukune United 0. That's it for Itiski TV.